everyone and welcome to the Blitz News channel about this big update. 16 students of a school in Navi, Mumbai have been found corona infected. All the students studying class 8th to 11th. There has been a stir in the administrations after such a large number of students got infected. According to the sources, the father of a student studying in the school had returned to India from Qatar 5 days ago. As a precaution, the COVID test of his entire family, including this person who returned from abroad, has been done. And in this test, the person's COVID report came negative, but the son has been found positive in the investigation. COVID test of about 650 students of the schools where the child was studying was done, and this the report of 16 students has come positive. At the same time, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has issued a release informing that a 29-year-old man who returned to Mumbai from New York, USA, has been found infected with Omicron. The person has no symptoms. BMC further said that this person had taken 3 doses of Pfizer coronavirus vaccine. On 9th November, he was found infected with corona during the investigation at the airport, and after this, his samples was sent for genome sequencing, and his report has come positive. Omicron cases are increasing continuously in the country, and in the capital Delhi itself, 10 cases of Omicron have been reported simultaneously. With this, the total number of Omicron infected in Delhi has increased to 22. Omicron has knocked in 11 states of the country so far, and Maharashtra has the highest number of the cases of Omicron. A total of 32 of Omicron are infected in Maharashtra. In this way, a total of 113 cases of Omicron have been reported across the country. Omicron has entered in Uttar Pradesh. Omicron has been confirmed in an elderly couple in Ghaziabad district adjacent to Delhi. And the travel history of the couple is linked to Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Both came to Ghaziabad after visiting many cities in these states. And at the same time, 17 people in Rajasthan are Omicron infected. Let us tell you that how many cases of Omicron have been found in the country so far. Maharashtra 32, Delhi 22, Rajasthan 17, Karnataka 8, in Telangana 8, Kerala 5, Gujarat 5, Andhra Pradesh 1, Tamil Nadu 1, Chandigarh 1, and a case has also come up in the West Bengal. So that's it from us in this big update. Thank you for your time.